Okay, grade 5D. Today, inshallah, we'll do questions or exercises on page 111 and 112. So, all of you, open your box, page 111 and 112. Yeah, they are besides each other. We'll do exercises about the latest 3 or 4 lessons about multiplication, powers, exponent, patterns, prime factorization. It's very important. Now, let's start directly, guys, with question 1, the vocabulary check, page 111. Page 111. So prepare your pencils, prepare your box, so you will write with us. You'll fill these exercises and you will answer it all, inshallah. Okay, guys. Question 1, I want someone to read. Aysar Ahmed. Brahim, yalla, Brahim, the first one, he put his hand. Brahim Atiyah. Yalla, Brahim. We are on question 1.
Concept check. Find the prime factorization of each number using exponents.
Mister, here in the box. See the box? We have matching.
Oh, yeah.
Yalla. Question 1.
Draw a line to match each word to its definition.
Now, here on the left, guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 definitions. We need to match them with each word on the right here. Which one represent each sentence, okay? You'll read the question 1, yeah, mister.
Okay. One number. Okay, wait. No, one number such as 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20.
Well, what we call them? Do you know?
We call them factors.
Factors, excellent.
Yeah,
so guys,
we took them in grade 4.
Good. Now, so we connect or we match question 1 with the word factors, the third word. And if you don't understand it, guys, take a look here so we understand what we are doing or what are the factors. Now look at the board, guys. The factors, like when I say the number 12. Now 12, we can write it as 6 by 2 or 4 by 3 or 12 by 1, right?
Prime factorization.
No, this is not prime factorization. Okay?
I know, but the prime factorization, if it's 12, you also do like, for example, 6 multiplied 2, 4 multiplied 3, like that.
No, in the prime factorization, we don't do 6 multiplied 2 and 4 by 3. Prime factorization, we choose one way, like this, 1. Either 4 times 3 or 6 times 2. Then we do the 6. Then we multiply these numbers. This is a prime factorization. Okay. Here I'm talking about factors, mister. So focus. Now guys, what are the factors here? If you take a look to the board, I said 12 equals 6 by 2, 4 by 3, 12 by 1. These are all the possible choices of pairs of numbers. If you multiply them, you get a 12. Now we call 6, 2, 3, 4, 12, 1, these numbers, 6, 2, 4, 3, 12, and 1, all of these numbers, we call them factors for the main number, the original number, which is 12. So, what are the factors of the 12? All the numbers, if you multiply them, you get a 12. 6 with 2, 4 with 3, 12 with 1. All of these numbers are factors for what? For a 12. What's the meaning of factor, guys? Factor means you can divide without remainder. Factor means you can divide without remainder. Here, for example, guys, 12 divided by 6 is 2 without remainder. 12 divided by 2 is 6 without remainder. 12 divided by 4 is a 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 12 divided by 1 is a 12. Now, in our question, the numbers are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. But the biggest number here is 20. What are the numbers? If you multiply them, you get to 20. We have 4 by 5. We have 2 by 10. We have 20 by 1, right? Now, what are the factors? All of these numbers are factors for the same number. So, 4, 5, 2, and 10, 20, and 1, all of these numbers are what? Are factors for the main number, which is a 20. Got it? So, question 1 here, guys. Question 1, the numbers such as 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 matched with factors as Ibrahim said. Now I want to question 2. A number is raised to the second power. What we call it? Huh? Yeah. Omar Adnan. Omar.
A number raised to the second power.
What do
Cube.
we call it?
Cube.
No, it's not a cube. It's not a cube. What do we
Squared.
call it? Squared. We call it squared. Look here, guys. We took exponent. Now, any number raised to the exponent or power 2, we call this power squared. So here we can say 3 to the power 2, 3 exponent 2, or 3 squared. Squared means exponent how much? 2. Squared means exponent 2. But if I want 9 squared, 9 squared means power 2. 8 squared means power 2. So squared, it's a special name for the exponent 2 only. So question 2, guys, we match a number raised to the second power with the last word, which is squared. But question 3, a number raised to the third power. What we call it? Hashim.
Yes.
A number raised to the third power. What we call it?
Cubed.
Cubed. Halla, we said for the power 2 squared. But if it's power 3, cubed. So cubed, the word cubed means the number is raised to the power 3. The number is raised to the power or exponent. How much? 3. For example, if I want 9 cubed, 9 cubed means 9 power 3. 9 power 3. 8 cubed means 8 power 3. So, the special name for the power 2 is squared. The special name for power 3 is cubed. Okay? We have 2 special names. That's all. So, question 1 with factors. Question 2 with squared. Question 3 with a cube. Question 4. Okay, guys, I'm here. Sorry about this interruption. Hashim.
Anam.
You hear me, mister?
Yes.
You see the board?
Yes.
Guys. Okay, guys. Now let's back to our question here. Question 4 said a way of expressing a composite number as a product of its prime factor. What we call it? What we call this thing? Who can tell me, guys? Ahmed Muhammad. Ahmed.
Mister, I come late 5 minutes.
It's your problem, mister. Else, do you know the question? Ahmed, where are you? Oh my God. 111, mister. Top. While Ahmed is preparing himself, let's do the question. Who can Yahya Samir? Yahya?
Yes, Mr.
Read the question, Yahya.
A way of expressing a composite number as a product of its prime factor. Factorization.
Prime factorization. Composite number like this. 6. 6 is composite. And these are what? Primes. Primes. What we call this? We call it prime factorization. Prime factorization. So the fourth definition, a way of expressing a composite number as a product of its prime factors, we call it prime factorization. Numbers like 10, 100, 1,000, and so on. What we call them? Kinan Hussam.
Yes, mister. We call them power of 10.
Powers of 10. If you remember 10, it's 10 power 1 means 1 with 1 0, right? 100 means 1.
Mister, your sound is lagging.
10 power 2.
Yes, mister.
2 zeros. Thousands. Mister, it's not my problem. I mean, besides the internet router, so what I can do? So 10,000 guys, 10 power 4. 4 with 4 zeros. Okay, guys? So what we call the last one? We call it powers of 10. Powers of 10. Ahmed, are you ready now, ya Ahmed? Ahmed Muhammad.
Yes.
Yalla, Ahmed. Question 1. Question 1 matched with factors.
What? Mister, your sound.
Question in page. Sorry. Wait, Wallah. Wait, guys, I will reconnect it. Wait. Now, ya Ahmed.
It's good.
Yalla. Question 1. Matched with factors. Ya Ahmed.
It will be.
Mister, match it. Match it. This semester, match.
Yes. Okay.
Oh my God. Mister, quickly, Habibi, quickly. Matched with squared. Stop. Are you with me, Ahmed?
Yes.
Number 3, matched with cube.
Factors.
4, matched with prime factor.
Mister, I can't.
Mister, see the video downloaded in the Classera. Okay, guys.
Mister,
Question.
I say factors.
Mister, I don't ask you. I'm telling you the answer so you can follow us because you are late.
Okay.
See the video, Mister, downloaded in Classera after a few minutes. Mister, now we are the second question. Who can read? Find the factorization. Yalla. Hashim, read ya Hashim. Hashim.
Yes.
Raise up your voice and wake up.
6 multiply 6.
Mister, read the question. Read the question.
Find the prime factorization of each number using exponent.
Yalla. Find the prime factorization of each number using exponents. Question 6, guys. Follow me. Yalla, shuf. We have the number 36. What we will do? Who can tell
Mister,
me?
can I answer?
La. I want you to tell me how you answer. Not the answer. How you answer. Ziyad.
Hello, Mister.
Yalla, Ziyad. How we factorization using exponents in 36?
Using exponent, 36 multiply 6 equals 36.
So here we make a prime factorization. 6 multiply 6. Then
The 6 divided 3 multiply 2.
not divided. 6 equal 3 multiply 2. And this 6 also 3 multiply 2. And here we cannot do more. We did that much, right? So much.
Yeah.
Now, the 36 equal, what is equal now?
2 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 2.
I should multiply these numbers together. 3 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 2. Now, we have 2 3s and 2 2s. We make them exponents equal. Say it, Ziyad.
2 to the power 2 multiply 3 to the power 3.
3 power 3. How many 3s we have?
3 to the power 2.
We said 3 power 3.
Okay.
Question 7. Question 6. Do it. Else, yalla, I don't want to do question. Kareem, else than Ziyad. I want new students. Amar Adnan. ايش مش حافظينه هذا قبل؟
85.
يلا يا عمر 35. What we will do to make prime factorization using exponents?
45 equal 9 times
Make a factorization 9 by 5. Then
5 is a prime it's a prime number.
circle.
And 9 equal 3 3 times 3. Yeah.
So
3 is a prime number.
So
Yes.
what's the prime here factorization? What we write?
3 times 3 times 5.
So 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So
Five.
Yeah, Ahmed Muhammad, do for 6 and 7.
Yes.
You copied them, right? You are Ahmed.
Yes.
لا خلاص أحمد one time يلا else one use ضياء new students يلا زيد
Yes, ma'am.
يلا question 9 what do we have in question 9
7 multiply 7 multiply 7.
يلا 3 times 7 times 7 times 7 ها
The answer is 7
to the
to the power of 3.
7 to the power of 3. This is question 9. So we did question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 from the book, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we move to the other page, page 1, and we will do questions 10 and 11. Yeah. Question 10. Who can help me with the question 10? يلا I want you. Omar. Omar, are you with me?
Yes, Mr.
Question. What we have?
4.
10 to the power 4. How we find this?
8 multiply 8 multiply 8
اي 8 يا زلمه، اي 8 يا حبيب. ارجع question 10 احنا. مستر عمر. Hello. Where are you? عمر. He mute. عمر. طيب another student. عمر, are you with me يا عمر? طيب I don't know what's happened with عمر. Okay. يلا another student guys. New students, where are you? Okay, I'll go down and take students. Yasser. 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 What's the problem, guys? Ahmed Dawood. Sorry. Ahmed. لا إله إلا الله. مهند. مهند.
What, Mr.?
Muawiyah, are you here?
Yeah.
Yalla Muawiyah, do question 10. What we have?
What?
Yalla, tell, say it.
10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10.
How many times?
4.
4 times. Stop. What's the answer? Mentally. I want the answer mentally. Mentally means without calculations. Mentally. How much the answer? Can you tell me?
10,000.
10,000. Guys, because the power is 4, we said we put 1 with 4 zeros, right? So the answer is how much? 10,000. Question 11. Excellent, Muawiyah. Thank you. Excellent. Yasser. Yasser, I want you to talk with me. I want to ask you didn't take your exam. طيب. Abdullah.
Yes.
يلا يا عبد الله. Question 11. What we have?
14 to the power 1.
14 to the power 1. What's the answer of 14 to the power 1?
14 times 1.
What?
14 times 1.
Really?
Oh, 14 times 14.
Yes, salam. Right. 14 power 1, you said 14 times 1 or 14 times 14 like this?
Yes.
So if we have power like this, for example, 3 power 2, it means 3 multiply 2, right?
No.
You said that 14 power 1 means 14 multiply 1. You said that. So 3 power 2 is 3 multiply 2. Mishak?
No, 3 to the power 2 is 3 times 3.
3 times 3. So 14 power 1, we multiply 14 by 1.
No, 14 times 14.
14 only. And from where you get this? What's 14 by 14? Is it 2? The power? With me. From where you get this 14 by 14?
Okay.
14 power 1 is 14. Kabri.
Mister, how much did I get on the test?
Mister, it's not our subject now, the test. Later on, I will give you the marks. Usama Adham.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا أسامة.
Yeah. Fine.
Next. ايش اللي يا؟ Next. يلا next.
Okay. 23 multiply 100 will be
كم؟
2300.
2, 3 times 100. What's the answer?
It will be we will put the 23 and we
What's the answer? What's the answer? Tell me the answer. What is it? Read the number.
2300.
What?
2300.
2300? This is the answer? So this, we read it 2300.
Oh, yeah.
We read it 2300. هيك نقرأه إحنا. How we read the number? How we read the number يا ابني? What's read this number? Read it.
23.
Guys, معكم اليوم انتو. Read the number. Read the number, guys. Only reading.
2300.
عمران. ها؟
2300.
يا مستر 2300. ها؟ 2300. صح؟
Yeah.
ايش 2300؟ لا ما بدنا 2300. Question 13. 2300. I want you guys in this level to read in normal level. This is hundreds, this is 1000s, 2000s, and the 300. This is how we read the question, the numbers now. Later on, when you get older, you can use what you want. Question 13 now. Huh? Talal.
Yeah.
ايش اللي يا؟ طلال.
Yes.
طلال.
Yes.
Say yes, mister. مش يا.
Yes.
Question 13.
Sorry. 150 multiplied 400.
How much? What's the answer? What we do?
Uh, 15 multiplied.
15 multiply what يا طلال؟ طلال.
15 multiplied
راح
4
طلال.
60.
60. Excellent. 15 multiply
What?
4 is 60. Excellent. Then
Answer is 60,000.
Excellent boy. 15 times 4, 60. How many zeros we need to add? 3 zeros. The zero, not from them. The 0 for 15 times 4. Now we add the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? 60,000. 60,000. Excellent, Talal. Question 14. 14. I want someone to read. Yalla. Muhannad.
Yes.
Yalla Muhannad, read. Question 14. Muhannad.
Mister, I don't have the book.
Why Muhannad? You don't have the book?
Yeah.
طيب it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, mister. It's okay. يلا follow us. مش مشكلة.
Okay.
Keep it. Do you understand what we have here?
Yes.
Good boy. Good boy. Rawad. Rawad. Rawad, you are unmuted. Talk. طيب. طيب. I'll read the question. Follow me, guys. The amount, we are in question 14. The amount of space in a dog carrier shown can be found by multiplying its width, length, and height. What is the amount of space in cubic units? Now look here, guys, in question 14, we have a box for the dog. Box something like this. We have length, we have width, and we have height. To calculate the space inside this box, we multiply length by width by height. Now in the question they write here 2 feet. 2 feet. 2 feet the length, 2 feet the width, 2 feet the height. Now to find the space, we multiply the length by the width by the height. So it is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. In exponents, it is 2 to the power what? 3. 2 to the power 3. So copy this answer, guys. The space later on, guys, when you get older, inshallah, you will call it volume. You will call it volume. But now in this question, we call it the space. So how we find the final answer, guys, before I end? 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So this is equal 8 cubic. Cubic. Why cubic? Because we are talking about space, 3 dimensions. So 8 cubic what? The unit is feet. So 8 cubic feet. This is the answer. You will copy it very well. And inshallah, tomorrow we'll take the new lesson in this chapter. You don't have homework today. So tomorrow, inshallah, in our class, we'll take a new lesson. These were exercises about the latest questions. Hope you understand them very well. If you don't understand them, you can ask me tomorrow. Thank you so much. Abdurrahman, stop it now. Thank you so much.